Welcome to Daily Earnings Mentor. I'm Diana. Alongside my husband, we're digital entrepreneurs and your guides on the journey to creating genuine online income with purpose, freedom, and a strategy that works in real life. We created this channel for people like you, purpose-driven entrepreneurs who are ready to take control of their income but want something genuine, not just another course. Here, we share practical steps, real strategies, and what's working for us and our community. You'll also discover how our unique program can earn you 100% profit, and you get mentored by six-figure earners in our community. That's something you won't find in most online training, and we'll show you how to build it all in a way that aligns with your values and lifestyle. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and start creating an income stream that feels right for you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got lots to share with you. You're not just building a business, you're creating freedom. And we're here to support you.